Son Gohan, usually referred to as Grandpa Gohan, is a martial artist who was Master Roshi's number one pupil. He was the adopted grandfather of Goku. Hello friends, welcome to the anime world. In today's video, we are going to discuss the life of Grandpa Gohan, who was the first one to take care of Goku. So without the wastage of time, let's begin the video. Appearance. Grandpa Gohan is a short, stubby old man with small dark eyes and a bushy white mustache and eyebrows, and is also bald. He wears a Chinese martial arts uniform which consists of a sleeveless orange jacket over a long sleeved black shirt and wears a green hat. Personality. Grandpa Gohan is a kind and loving man, kind enough to adopt Goku when he found him in the woods, and patient enough to keep him despite how terrible the young Saiyan behaved before his head injury. It is likely much of Goku's personality and morality came from him. Even though Goku was responsible for his death, Grandpa Gohan did not show any signs of resentment towards him as shown in the reunion, where he expresses happiness at seeing him again. According to Goku, Grandpa Gohan had good manners and acted very well towards ladies. Grandpa Gohan may have been popular with the ladies or perverted just like Master Roshi, because he says, I have got a lot of friends and most of them are brunettes in the fortune teller Baba saga. Background. Gohan was a martial artist who trained under Master Roshi with the Ox King when he was younger. He was close friends with Ox King. According to Master Roshi, Gohan and Ox King both delivered milk just like Goku and Krillin did later as part of their training under Roshi. Gohan also wielded the power pole which was given to him by Roshi. When Gohan was an old man, he lived by himself on Mount Paozu. He became the adoptive grandfather of Goku when he found him near the landing site of his spaceport when he was a baby. When Goku first landed on Earth, his mission was to, in time, destroy the entire human race and sell the planet to another race. Being a Saiyan, who are known to be very aggressive and short-tempered, Goku was very uncooperative at first. After falling into a ravine, Goku hit his head, causing him to lose his memory and became a regular happy loving boy. Grandpa Gohan passed on his martial arts knowledge to Goku. He also warned Goku to never look at full moon and to stay indoors on nights of one, implying that Goku had already transformed into a great ape before and Grandpa Gohan managed to survive the first time. Goku followed his advice for some time until one night when Goku stepped outside to relieve himself. He then glanced at the full moon transforming into a great ape and went on a rampage killing Grandpa Gohan. Though because Goku did not remember what he did when he transformed, he was not aware of it. From that time on, Goku believed that Grandpa Gohan was killed by a monster and that his soul was in the 4-star Dragon Ball. Fortune Teller Baba Saga. During the Fortune Teller Baba Saga, Goku, Yamcha, Master Roshi, Upa, Puar and Krillin must fight Fortune Teller Baba's 5 fighters in order to find the last Dragon Ball. Goku is the last one left to fight and Fortune Teller Baba brings out a special fighter as her last. The last opponent is a mysterious man wearing a fox mask. Master Roshi then realizes that that man is Goku's dead grandfather, Grandpa Gohan. Grandpa Gohan and Goku fight about evenly until Gohan grabs Goku's tail and beats him on the ground, back and forth with Goku helpless. The others are baffled as to why he is just ponding on Goku. After unintentionally ripping Goku's tail off, causing Goku to go in a rage, Grandpa Gohan surrenders and explains that he was trying to make a point to Goku that he needs to train harder and make his tail work for him instead of against him. And through these words, Goku realizes his identity. Seeing no reason to continue concealing his identity, Gohan unmasks himself and Goku immediately rushes over to give his grandpa a hug, leading to an emotional reunion. Gohan and Baba go on to explain that Baba has the power to bring the dead back to life for one day only. Bulma then explains the Dragon Balls and her adventures with Goku to Gohan. Gohan is quite content with life in the other world and thus chooses to remain dead, vanishing after thanking Roshi for teaching Goku and giving his grandson a final farewell. Piccolo Jr. Saga. Grandpa Gohan makes another appearance in anime filler in the final two episodes of Dragon Ball, in which Goku and Chi-Chi have been in the middle of a quest to lower a new fire engulfing Fire Mountain with Ox King trapped inside, protecting Chi-Chi's wedding dress. Goku and Chi-Chi come upon the gateway between the living world and the next. Making their way past numerous illusions, they find themselves in the cave of the Spirit Furnace. They end up meeting with the Grandpa Gohan, whom Goku mistakes for being the legendary furnace keeper Anin. Grandpa Gohan is actually a bodyguard for Anin, as well as protecting the lever that can turn off the spirit furnace. After a small scuffle with Anin, Goku is allowed to travel into the depths of the furnace where he is able to patch the leak. Goku bids a final farewell to his grandfather as he and Chi-Chi moves on into the beginning of wedding bliss for many years. Dragon Ball Z. While seen only through flashbacks, Grandpa Gohan appears quite a few times throughout the Dragon Ball Z series. Out of 3 known flashbacks, the first one is when Master Roshi tells Goku of Grandpa Gohan's story of finding him. Through this flashback, it's insinuated that Goku's first off-screen Great Ape transformation occurred after his arrival upon Earth, and following a first glimpse Grandpa Gohan had of him. Later, another flashback takes place where Goku recalls a pre-Dragon Ball moment of his grandfather warning him to never go outside on the night of a full moon after he sees Vegeta transform into a great ape. When Goku sees this, he came to realize that when he transformed, he was the one that killed Gohan. He apologized and promised to him that he would defeat Vegeta. The final flashback of him comes much later in the series, wherein Goku fondly remembers being found by Grandpa Gohan. So friends, this was all about this video. If you like this video, then be sure to do a Kamehameha on the subscribe button and be sure to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss our latest updates. And if you want to read Boruto manga, then just click on the left video, and if you want to read the Dragon Ball Super ongoing manga chapters, then click on the left video. Okay, so till the next video, see ya, bye bye.